How do you turn 5 to 10 minutes a week into $50,000 in commissions? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what one affiliate did using the ClickBank Super Funnel. By investing just a few minutes each week, they pulled in over $50,000 in commissions, all because the system handled the rest. Here's how. The funnel is pre-built and automated. It collects leads, builds your email list, and drives people toward high-ticket ClickBank offers through automated emails and webinars. You don't have to create products, manage tech, or do the selling. The funnel does it all. Your role is simply directing traffic into the funnel. From there, it's hands off. That's why busy people love it, because you can fit it into your life in minutes, not hours. Hit the link below to see the free training and learn how you can turn just a few minutes a week into a real income stream.